Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 455 Rancher, a very popular chainsaw for firewood cutting, farm use, ranch use. This one features a 20-inch barn chain, that's 3/8 pitch, 63 gauge, chisel bit, very popular chain. And we'll look at some of the features it has. Side load on your gas and oil reservoir, decompression valve on top, working chain brake, large foot pad for starting the high compression motor, choke on the bottom, kill switch on the top, and it's got the chain tensioner to loosen the two bar nuts up right on the side. Just a very nice saw if you're wanting a firewood cutting saw.